In Kotlin, you can define a class with secondary constructors without a primary constructor. While it's common to have a primary constructor and use secondary constructors for additional flexibility, it's entirely possible to rely solely on secondary constructors if that fits your design requirements. For example, in this class general robot, I can remove this primary constructor, and so I can remove this keyword from the secondary constructors, because these secondary constructors are no more relying and delegating on the primary constructor. The primary constructor is gone, so I can use the secondary constructors directly. If we go back to hello kotlin.kt file, I can create a val firing robot equals to firing robot with only a name, like for example wax, or I can create a firing robot with a model year, for example 2025. So this is how we can use secondary constructors without the primary constructors. And these constructors allow us to create instances with different combinations of parameters. While in this example demonstrates a class without a primary constructor, it's important to note that primary constructors are often used for defining properties and their initial values. Secondary constructors are typically used to provide alternative way to initialize those properties or to handle additional initialization logic. The choice of whether to have a primary constructor or not depends on your specific design and use case. But my advice, you should use primary constructors.